Alright guys, finally, Justice James Omotosho, convict Ipob leader, found Nnamdi Kanu guilty of all 7 counts on terrorism and say he caused violence. Really? So guys, the terrorism trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob Nnamdi Kanu, they go on after more than 1 decade after the Nigerian government first arraigned him for court. Justice James Omotosho, when be the trial judge, been fixed November 20 to give judgment for the matter when the maximum sentence na capital punishment. Omotosho take over Kanu trial for March and start am afresh after the Ipob leader accused the former judge Binta Nyako of bias and ask am to comot her hand for the case. Since taking over the case, Justice James Omotosho give order for fast trial, and na so the matter don go from 21st March 2025 when Kanu plead not guilty reach now. When then ask make Nnamdi Kanu make comment on a matter, the Ipob leader ask say why dem put am for detention when he no commit crime. Now this is when drama take start. So Kanu say make dem grant am bail. Wetin I dey ask for now na referral to the appeal court for this case. Why I go dey for detention for law wey no exist. I wan make dem grant me bail. The judge say the referral to appeal court and stay of proceedings no go dey entertained as he dey for the administration of criminal justice law. This court no go entertain am on the bail application by the order of this court on 27th October 2025. Court make order make the defendant file in defense for final address. Na based on this, the issue dey dismissed. When the judge bin wan give the judgment, Kanu be cut in and say make the judge show am for how, where or anywhere he commit any crime. And the judge wan talk, Kanu shout on am say make him show am the law when he wan use deliver the judgment. When the kasala dey go on, Kanu begin shout while the judge bin wan talk. Na so the judge say make dem carry Kanu comot for the courtroom. Kanu no stop to dey shout as he dey vex. He also ask make the security no touch am. He say make dem no touch am. So the judge say Kanu get chance to appeal after the judgment, but Kanu no continue. Dey continue dey talk. You no sabi law, show me the law. Any judgment for this court na rubbish, Kanu talk am as he dey vex. So the judge say make dem go on short break, and the court bin go for short break. They resume back from the break, but Kanu no enter. According to the judge, he said dem give Kanu opportunity to defend himself, but he misuse am. So the judge further add say im dey inside law say if anyone be disturb the courtroom, dem fit do the judgment for im absence. Fundamental rights no dey absolute. No opportunity. If dem give you the opportunity and you no use am, you no fit claim a breach. The defendant no use the opportunity when we give am. E dey law say if defendant misbehave for the courtroom, the judgment fit go on without him. So I hereby make an order sake of this unruly behavior of the defendant, the judgment go proceed for in absence. Now, summary of the Kanu trial so far. The trial judge gave the Nigerian government exact days for them to start this case, call their witnesses, and close the case. Agbenga Omowolo, the senior advocate of Nigeria, when be lead counsel for this prosecution, meets the deadline. On the 19th June 2025, the prosecution closed their case after dem don call 5 witnesses and tender plenty evidence before the court. Some of evidence na videos and audio recording of some of Nnamdi Kanu broadcasts, including all the ones via in the ginger in followers made them attack and buy army and police people, made them destroy public properties, and also clips where he threatened people for the southeast region of Nigeria to obey in sit-at-home order. All these ones was presented there, to the court today, and the trial judge come dey use mouth dey talk am, say see wetin Nnamdi Kanu talk. You see what is happening in this case. I understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu behavior is based on how they see say the way when they treat am not be so e suppose be. You understand? So if you still dey in shoe, maybe you fit still behave like this as they behave. You get, because e dey painful well, say you dey see red, somebody dey tell you say no be red you dey see, na blue. And you know say everybody don register that color say na red, but you decided to say na blue because you feel say you big pass me. That is just the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu versus Nigerian government. So you see, this is really very unfair. He's on social media, a Nigerian brigadier, saying that Boko Haram should be absorbed, into the society even after they don't buy people finish. Nnamdi Kanu, wetin he do when be say people never do pass, and this government they carry them put for body. You can now understand the reason why the marginalization in the southeast they are talking about, that is real, not be fake. You understand? Because if we really know what we are doing, I don't think the way we are going about this case right now should be the way the case should go. Why can't there be a roundtable discussion about all this whole thing? Why can't there be a roundtable discussion about this whole thing? You understand? See, when I see this judgment when happen today, or Wednesday they go on today, make una know say this judgment, e go far for the history of this country. The day when you judge for person, now that the same day you judge for yourself. Because this is what so many people don't understand. The day when you talk about person matter, you give judgment for person matter, that is the same day you don't judgment for yourself. So, if Justice James Omotosho say this one good for him, anyway guys, I never end this matter. We are still on here. The matter is still going on. We will come back, make we know how many days, how many weeks, how many years, on a life imprisonment. They won't give Ipob leader. Make we say as it could be. But I am telling you, this judgment